How to fix welcome to Instagram page problem. So if you want to fix welcome to Instagram page problem, then what you need to do, first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you can simply load your Instagram page again and your problem might be fixed. If Instagram internet connection doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store and go with search. And under search, you need to search for Instagram. Once you've searched, now if you have any updates under Instagram, you just need simply go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem again, then you need to just tap and hold on to that Instagram application. Go with the app info and go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And once you cleared your cache, now you need to go back and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart. And after restarting or after rebooting, you can go back to Instagram and try logging into your account and the problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix welcome to Instagram page problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.